This is what to expect if you're traveling tomorrow across the great state of Texas. And the answer is there will be some thunderstorms late in the day for the eastern half of the state down to the coast, including here in North Texas. But it will be warm. Corpus Christi, you missed out, Teresa, 80 degrees. Tomorrow, some thunderstorms there in East Texas. And we're quiet right now. Our next storm, so you kind of see it there brewing there in the Four Corners. That's going to be our next piece of energy that kind of swings in here and brings us a chance for thunderstorms late in the day. So I'll emphasize this again. I'm going to be talking about a chance of rain on Monday, but not everyone's going to see it, number one. And number two is it's not going to get here until the evening. So much of the day is quiet, and it'll be fairly nice too. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s tomorrow afternoon. So we'll cloud up very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. We'll start Monday morning off with mostly cloudy skies. Strong cap. And for those that may be new to the area or not familiar with the term cap, you'll hear it a lot this spring. It's a very prominent feature here in the weather world of North Texas. Essentially, as thunderstorms start to develop, that's warm air rising. It will hit a level of the atmosphere where the air is warmer. So it's an air of warm air aloft, and as that air is rising, it hits it, and it can't get any higher. So the thunderstorms can't quite develop or can't get very strong until the cap breaks. It's like a lid on the atmosphere. So it'll hold on pretty strong through the afternoon too. So there's 12 p.m. You see, there's still no rain showing up until we get into the evening. So there's 6 p.m. The cap will weaken in spots, and that's why I said not everyone's going to see the rain tomorrow, because it's not going to just erode completely across the entire region of North Texas, just in a spot or two. So 6 p.m. watch carefully. As we get to 7, when the cap breaks, thunderstorms will start to kind of blow up pretty quickly. And that's where you run into that risk to see maybe some large hail and damaging wind gusts. So 7 o'clock in the Metroplex, that's a chance to see thunderstorms. Same thing as 8 o'clock. That point, we're going to be watching them from, let's say, Rockwall County down through Navarro County and Ellis County, all the way up to Hunt County as well. So there are the thunderstorms, even Fannin County. 9 p.m. from Paris, Sulphur Springs, Cooper, down through Athens and Canton. That's the chance to see thunderstorms at that point in time. Still maybe a thunderstorm or shower on the back end of this for the Metroplex, but this will end very quickly. The window for thunderstorms is not very large. Once they develop, they'll move east very quickly. Look at 10 o'clock. So we watched storms develop in the Metroplex at 6, and now the thunderstorms are all the way in East Texas, Mineola, Linden, Clarksville, Texarkana at that point, and then we clear out for the rest of the night here across North Texas. So here's when the storms could begin tomorrow evening. Blue shaded area, 6 to 8 p.m. That's the Metroplex. That's the I-35 corridor. Then you go just to the east of that, Greenville, Terrell, Athens, Corsicana, between 8 and 10 p.m., and then farther east into East Texas after 10 o'clock. Again, it's not a very large window of time for thunderstorms, and it is a level 2 slight risk for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, a level 1 marginal risk for severe thunderstorms tomorrow evening. Hail up to the size of quarters, that's the number 1 concern. The number 2 concern would be wind gusts up to 60. There is an isolated tornado risk east of the Metroplex tomorrow evening, but it is on the low side. Tonight, 49 degrees, not as cool, so the day starts off pretty nice tomorrow. 75 in the afternoon. A few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible, like we just kind of highlighted there. There's the next 10 days. Another chance of thunderstorms, St. Patrick's Day, especially during the evening, 80 degrees the high then. That'll be another cold front, and like we discussed earlier, that cold front is not an Arctic front, so gardeners, you can rejoice. I think it's time. Spring is here.